Warsaw, the capital of Poland, is a vibrant and historically rich destination offering tourists a variety of attractions. Situated on the banks of the Vistula River, Warsaw is known for its stunning landscapes and architectural landmarks. Whether you're planning your first visit or revisiting this enchanting city, using drone footage can enhance your experience by providing a unique bird's-eye view of the beauty of Warsaw. Warsaw's landscape is a fascinating combination of old and new. The city showcases an impressive variety of architectural styles, from the carefully restored old town with its cobbled streets and colorful facades to the modern high-rise buildings that dominate the skyline. Visitors can explore iconic landmarks such as the Royal Castle, Wilanów Palace, and Lazienki Park, which are testaments to the greatness of Warsaw. The tourist flow in Warsaw is growing steadily every year. Travelers are drawn to the combination of history, culture, and natural beauty. The city has many museums dedicated to various aspects of Polish culture and history, including the famous Poland Museum of the History of Polish Jews. Travelers often praise Warsaw for its friendly locals and affordable prices compared to other European capitals. The city boasts a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget hostels.